Hello, our art friends. Today in Kiddy Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw the famous tails from Sonic the Hedgehog. So grab your art supplies and let's start drawing. For the belly, draw the letter U. Then draw some hair at the top. 3 strands on each side. Connect it together in the middle with a curved line. Draw the arm coming out from the right side of the belly, with the lower line not reaching the belly. Draw a curved line at the end of the arm to make the first part of the glove. Complete that part with a line on each side. And another curved line on the top. Draw the hand with 5 fingers. Then draw a line in the middle of the palm for some texture. Draw a wavy line coming out from the side of the hand, ending on the other side. With some hairs for the fur, and connecting to the top of the belly. Draw some hairs partially hidden behind the arm. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw a small triangular shape for the nose and color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Draw a laughing mouth with a tongue inside. Draw a large incomplete oval shape on top of the mouth and nose part. Inside, draw the iris and the pupil and color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. To make the ear, draw a line coming out from the top of the mouth and the nose part, going up intersecting the thumb. Then make a triangular shape for the ear. Decorate the ear with a triangle inside. And another triangular shape inside for some texture. Draw a small line coming out from the ear. Attached to it, draw a long strand of hair. Followed by 2 similar ones to make the bang. Make the same steps we made for the first ear, just this time make it partially hidden behind the hair. Draw a small line connecting the bottom of the face with the belly to make the shoulder. Then 2 tiny lines coming out from the side of the belly for the arm. Then draw the glove the same way we made the first one. And draw the hands by drawing the index finger and the thumb first. Then another 2 fingers with the 5th finger partially hidden behind the thumb. Draw a curved line coming down from the arm at the right side to make tail's back. Then draw a leg. Extend the line and make the other leg. Draw an oval shape around the leg and make a few curved lines to finish the top of the shoe. Repeat the same step to make the top of the other shoe. Draw an oval shape for the shoe and connect it to the top with a line. Decorate the shoe with a line at the bottom for the sole. And the stripe on top of the shoe. Repeat the same step for the other shoe. Draw a line connecting the bottom of tail's body and the right shoe as a part of the tail that's hidden behind the shoe. Then draw the rest of the tail coming from the side of the shoe, going up then connecting to the side of the leg. Decorate the tail with a zigzag line. Owl's tail has 2 tails, so we are going to draw the second tail coming out from the side of the same leg, going up and connecting to the first tail, partially hidden behind. Decorate it similarly. You worked hard. Now you can draw tail. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To make the white color pop out of the paper, pick a gray or black pencil and go over the edges to make some shading. like this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe.